Now let's probably fight to get this thing back up. Oh, now it pops out. Okay. Okay. All right, Subaru owners. Welcome. You found Do It Yourself, Do It Right. My name's Dave.
Oh, that sucks, dude.
Like always. And well, we got to do some work on this Subaru. The Subaru Outback 2017. It was my girlfriend's everyday car. She bought a new one. She gave it to her daughter. And well, you know, it needs some work. It was taken to the dealership and the dealership said it needs this, this, and this. And I found out so far that it didn't need that, that, and that. So hopefully it actually does need an intake filter and a cabin filter. I got both of them. We're going to change them. Let's do it. I don't even know where the hood release is on this thing. Let's see. Well, there's the gas down there. What is that? Oh, okay. That's the fuses. There's the, oh, there it is. All the way down to the corner, all the way to the left. Hood release. We're learning together, folks. You know what I'm saying? I have a headlight bulb video if you need to figure out how to change your headlight bulb. Link to that. It's going to be in the corner. Just doing a once over in the car, get my bearings straight. This battery was replaced not too long ago and it's already got some corrosion going. I probably should clean that up for him. Air filter over here. Looks like it's just held on with some of these metal clips. So glad I got my gloves on. It's rather chilly for Georgia. We just got snow and ice. You know, it's the perfect time to do maintenance is when it's freezing. It's actually because, well, nobody's going to school or work because they don't have any way to clean the roads around here. So I'll get you in here close so you can see, but it's all the way over here. This looks like it'll be a pretty easy job. Hopefully Subaru actually looked at it and said it needed to be replaced rather than just saying that it needs to be replaced like they did with the brakes. I like doing these how-to videos because it saves people money. You know, the brakes that I just did, it's going to save my girlfriend a bunch of money. They wanted to do it at the dealership. She said, well, you know, we'll think about it. And I'm glad she did because the brakes weren't bad. Okay, let's see. That's got to come up. You go that way. It's going to be a little bit of a fight because the filter is right there. Oh, here we go. Air filter. That's the one side. Not too dirty, but that's the other side. So it is a little bit dirty. It's not terribly. There is some stuff in there. I'll give them that. They probably know that filters don't get changed very often, so they just put that on the list. There is stuff in the pleats, so we will go ahead and change that. And I'll tell you the part number of the one she bought. So the girlfriend went up to O'Reilly's and bought these parts. Part number for a micro guard, maximum efficiency, maximum protection, MGA 49012. It'll be down in the description of the video. And looks like it's a direct fit, no real differences. So let's go ahead and pop this thing back in here. So the pleated side, well, they're both pleated side. The fat side, if you will, goes to the front because it's sucking air. You want to catch it in here. And it fits in there that way because that's the way I took it out. So we're going to wrestle it in. One hand to push this back, one hand to put the filter in. lined up. Filter's lined up. All right, cover. Well, the filter was lined up. All right, well, that should go over top of that. All right, she's where it's supposed to be. And then you just lock it back. Easy as that. That one's rather easy. The other one is probably going to be a bit more difficult to get to. I haven't changed it. Usually they're up under the glove compartment. You usually got to get the glove box out, and then it's up in there somewhere. So I'll inspect and see where that one's at and show you how to change that one. All right, after doing a little bit of inspecting, with the hat off, obviously, drop the old glove box down, and if you look up inside of there, you probably can't see. I can see the white filter. When I reached my hand up in there, the cover for the filter was just laying in there. So it's a good sign that they actually checked it. So you got to drop this glove box out, and usually they just pop out. So let's get set up to do that. There's a bunch of stuff in there. You know, girls, they put a lot of stuff in the glove compartment, other than probably what needs to be in there. So let's get the glove compartment or the glove box up or out of the way and pull the filter and see how that looks. All right, sorry for the weird angle, but I'm gonna have to use two hands. I think most of these you just kind of halfway close them and you pull. Yeah, there you go. So that one, all right, that one pulls out, kind of, somewhat. We just need, okay, there it goes. All right, so it's halfway removed out of the way. Here's the filter. This one was made in China. Oh, this one, okay, this one's got some debris in it. And, yeah, I'm guessing it definitely needed to be changed. Look at the stuff in there. It's probably never been changed before. So let's grab the other one. I'll tell you the part number of that one. And we'll go from there. We'll put it back in there. I believe the other one has a direction. They're supposed to, these are supposed to have directions, like the airflow direction. That's what I mean by directions. Again, she bought a micro guard cabin air filter. Cleans and freshens the air. I don't know how it freshens it. I should just clean it. But this is it. This is, you know, very cool in a plastic bag. Open her up. Ooh, that's kind of weird. All right, seems kind of fragile. Oh, here we go. Up. Yeah, see, I knew it. So these filters go up. Filter number 3684 says right there. Also says right here 3684 goes up. So we're just gonna literally slide it right in there, and it says up. Let's do the right thing and put the cover back on it, because, you know, it's got to filter air.
No shit, Sherlock.
And how's it going to filter without the cover on it? All right, I'm assuming it just pops in here. Yeah, well, that side. Okay, maybe. Oh, there you go. Just pops and pops, and there we go. Cover on, filter changed. Now let's probably fight to get this thing back up.
God damn it.
Oh, now it pops out. Okay. Okay. All right. I think we get this little arm here. That arm is, okay, slides onto there. Oop, we probably should have, oh, there we go. Now it's popped back in where it goes. Now we got to get it up. Oh boy. Oh, maybe the arm goes on last. I probably should put the arm on. Okay. I think that's right. You would think it would pop in there. Yeah, that side's not in. Get in your home.
That's what she said.
Oh, now it's too far. There we go. I think that's where it goes. Yep. Yeah, that's where it goes. Now let's hook up the arm thing here. You gotta pull the arm down and then pop it on. And it closes. Make sure it opens. Yeah, there we go. Good to go. A little bit of wrestling with that, but not too shabby. Not too shabby. All right, folks. Well, there you have it. That's how you change your intake filter and your cabin air filter. Pretty easy task. You can do it yourself. Don't pay for it at the dealership or at your local garage. Super easy. Just buy the parts. The filters, let's see, they cost 20 bucks each. We'll round up. $20 each. You can do it yourself for 40 bucks. Takes 30 minutes at most. So I'm going to go ahead and finish, once over and check the oil, check the fluids and all that other stuff. So if you like these kind of DIY, help you out videos, do simple tasks yourself, like, tag, share, follow, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Like I said, I got other Subaru videos and there's going to be a couple more coming out. So like always, till next time, thanks a lot. I mean, goodness gracious. The corrosion on this thing is like, how's the strap corroding? I need a smaller brush, obviously. When you got too big a brush, it just doesn't work as good as a smaller, more compact, more versatile brush. The big brushes, everybody wants a big brush, but do they really always want a big brush?